Alright friends, buckle up for an exciting foodie adventure because today we're diving fork first into something extraordinary. Welcome to Gosht Steakhouse and Burgers, Brooklyn's little slice of upscale halal heaven. Here's the story of Abdurrashid Aminov, the genius behind this masterpiece, first wowed Uzbekistan with his 5 Gosht locations. The concept became so popular, he said, why not share this goodness with the world? And voila, the Brooklyn branch was born. And guess what? They're already planning to open in Manhattan next. Big dreams, right? Now, this isn't your average burger joint. No, everything here is European-inspired, Zabiha halal, and crafted to absolute perfection. And don't even get me started on their alcohol-free drink. Think high-end, fancy vibes, but totally guilt-free. Let's take a look inside and meet the people who make this magic happen. First off, Modurbek. This guy is the ultimate multitasker. He's been managing Gosht for a few years now and knows every nook and cranny of this place. Seriously, he made us feel like royalty from the moment we walked in.
I just want to know about the history of this restaurant.
Of course.
And I'm sure viewers will be really interested in that as well. Just fire it up. Just let us know about the whole...
So the brand was established back in Uzbekistan, so in Tashkent.
Yeah.
Our founder founded in 2017. He came with idea again in Tashkent, back there in Uzbekistan, even it's Central Asia. There is halal spots, but there is a non-concept like ours, let's say, with no alcohol, complete no alcohol. With the kids area, there was also no concept. He believed in this idea. He just started the business.
What are your most selling dishes? Like, why people so much gravitate towards your restaurant? Because I see it's like full. Some people coming, some are leaving. It's like all the time full. Like, what is the reason behind all of that? Is it just the food, or it's just the ambiance, or it's like... What is it?
We're taking serious our food, our quality of food, our ingredients. So as you can see here, our Hosper grill, it's a few in the New York, let's say in the charcoal grill. That's why we're taking pride in our meat, in our quality of meat, because we use no frozen meat. It's a unique concept because most of the places who sells the steaks, it's sometimes you can get the frozen one. So again, and the burgers also, we do the patties on the house, we do them ourselves, we do the buns, whole the process of the burgers we do ourselves here. Mostly the meat lovers come here. Again, we have a big variety of the dishes.
Alright parents, get ready for this. While you're busy enjoying steaks, that'll blow your mind. Your little ones are having the time of their lives in this super fun playground. It's colorful, it's lively, and it's packed with activities that'll keep them entertained for hours. And wait for it, every Sunday, they turn this place into a mini cooking school for kids. Costumed characters guide them through the fun activities like cupcake decorating, candy making, and even crafting their own burgers. This time, my kids got to decorate cookies, and honestly, they had so much fun. I almost joined them in. And now, let's talk about the star of the show, the food.
It's New Zealand Reckless lamb chops. It's served with the baby potatoes, cherry tomatoes, and green beans. It's one of the famous dishes we have here on the lamb side, so definitely go with. Next, we're gonna have also the ribeye steak. Ribeye is one of the popular steaks, so we're taking pride that we use never frozen halal meat here, and all our meat is fresh, delivered like almost every day.
It's like Zabiha halal, right?
It's Zabiha halal. All the meat is Zabiha halal. All our menu, what we serve, it's halal.
Awesome. What about your salads?
Here we have avocado salad, so it's on the light side. It's a very special recipe avocado salad. It's not usually avocado salads you're gonna have somewhere because it's gonna have guacamole there, a little bit mango sauce, so a little bit sweetness, gonna give you a very unique taste of it.
Nice.
And,
Okay. What
next
about
we
this
have
salad?
here, it's our Gosht salad. It's our famous salad as well. It's coming with a crunchy eggplant salad. It's with cheddar cheese and the dressing on the top is sweet chili dressings. One of the popular and most loving salad what we have here.
Nice.
Then we're gonna have the burger. We are famous and very proud of our burgers because I would not we try to say it's one of the best burgers we do here in New York. Because the whole process we do in a house, the patties, the buns, everything we do here in the house, and again it's 100% halal here. And also we have drinks, so we have 2 drinks, non-alcoholic beverages. We have here, it's again unique thing what we do here. None of halal places do it. It's alcohol-free cocktails, let's say, because we use 0% spirit. It tastes like a cocktail. It tastes like alcohol, but there is no alcohol at all.
What is this?
One of our kids' favorites here. As we are family restaurants, and we taking pride that we serve like a very kids-friendly menu. We have here our own like kind of fun boxes. Here we have like toys for kids, like toys. We have some boy-themed toys. We have here French fries. Like, French fries here and the burger. This order found is a burger. And we have kids
so
burger here also.
cute.
Yeah, and of course it all comes with a juice. So kids can have,
That's so adorable. Who came up with the idea?
So it's again, as we are franchisee and we based like our restaurants was established in Uzbekistan, back in Tashkent. So we had this menu over there, and this is same menu what we serve in Uzbekistan. So
Wow.
this all came like from one country.
That's nice. I love it.
Oh my goodness. These steaks, mind-blowing. The burgers, juicy, flavorful, perfection. And the drinks, total showstoppers without a single drop of alcohol. Oh, and let's not forget the kids' meals. They come with the cute little toys that'll make your kids so happy. Gosht is more than just a restaurant. It's an experience. It's a place where fine dining meets family fun, where every detail is carefully thought out, and where everyone, from parents to kids, leaves this place with a full stomach and very happy heart. Here's the deal, my friends. If you're in New York or planning a trip, make sure Gosht is on your must-visit list. It's not just about the food, although trust me, it's amazing. It's about the memories you'll make and the feeling of being somewhere truly special. Gosht Halal Steakhouse is a game changer, and I promise you'll leave with a smile on your face and a story to tell.
Thank you for the experience.
Thank you for coming, being our guest.
We'll
Always
definitely
welcome.
be coming again.
Of course, always
and I want
welcome.
all of you guys to be coming and enjoying this
Please.
beautiful place.